Hello guys and welcome to Tech 254, where we give you legit ways on how to earn money online and various ways on how you can be able to have passive income online. And today I'm going to take you through how to create your demo account or your demo Forex trading account, because I'm sure for those who are Forex beginners or for those who have just gotten an idea on how maybe you can be able to do Forex trading, as you know, you have to start with a demo account, and because it's hard and you can't be able to start by risking your hard-earned money, so you just have to start with a demo account until now you become an expert in the area, until you understand the Forex, the do's and don'ts of Forex, and how to navigate through the journey of Forex. Until you understand that, you cannot be able to risk your money. So you have to first of all start by trading with a demo account. And so I'm going to just show you an example of a demo account and how you can open it. And I'm going to use this broker by the name KOT for Forex. So yeah, KOT Forex is one of the brokers. Of course, we have so many brokers, so you can choose from any broker that you wish, and you can open as long as they are regulated. So just make sure you choose your broker. Yeah, but for the moment, I'm going to show you how to go through it with this KOT Forex. So yeah, so you just search it and then you go direct to sign up. As you can see, you can start with a deposit, but this one is for those who want to get live accounts. So for us, we are going direct to creating a demo account. So you go to sign up. Yeah guys, you go to sign up. Yeah, I always advise that before you continue with anything or before you do any trading, you just first of all get an experience trading with demo account. As it's a little bit safer, and yeah, nothing, you're losing nothing. Yeah, because if you cannot be able to make profit on a demo account, then be sure that you cannot make profit on a live account. Yeah, but if you get to trade well and on demo account and you get the expertise that is required, then you can be in a good position to navigate through the journey of live account. So you come here, first of all, you open an account with the KOT Forex, and those are details that are required. Yeah, immediately you are done. I'm going to be a quick faster because I already have an account there, so I'm going to do it in a hurry. So you verify you key in your basic information, verify your emails and your details, and then they are going to send you an email where you are going to verify that it's you. Then you're going to come here at settings, where you are going to do the two-step verification. Immediately you enable the two-step verification, then you are allowed now to access more features. So you come here, then you go to my accounts. Yeah, so the account type, so we select the kind of account that we want to open. So we want to open not a live account but a demo account. So we select core KOT Forex MT4 demo. So then you go to leverage. Yeah, so we select the leverage that we want, and because we don't want that high leverage, yeah, we go to a leverage of, let's say, 1:100. Yeah, or 1:200, but you can choose whichever leverage you want. But if you know that even when you get your expertise, you're not going to start with that kind of big or large amount of money, because as you understand that leverage can kill your account, and also leverage can keep your account moving. So it's a matter of risk management here. So just select a leverage that you know that your account can manage. So yeah, this is it. Then you select the balance that you want to have in your demo account. So you can select this one, standard rate, yeah, or as little as you want. So it's your choice. Yeah. So let's say, for example, let's select a balance of 4,000 USD. So yeah, then you say create account. account credited successfully, please check your email for your credentials. So there is some credentials that they have sent on your Gmail. So what you have to do, you have to just check your Gmail, and then you see the credentials there, and those credentials now you're going to use them to connect this account, this Coyote Forex account, demo account, with your MT4 account. So guys, I'm going to make another video where I'm going to show you how you can be able to connect your account or your Coyote Forex account with your MT4 account. So stay tuned for those who are not very familiar with it. I'm going to be making it in the next video. I'll make sure that I show you how to connect your Coyote. So those are the details that have been sent to your email. So check on the next video so that you can see and learn more how to connect your demo account now with the MT4 so that you can start trading. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for following our video. Thank you for liking our videos. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe so that it can reach to more people. Thank you so much.